Hello everyone, my name is Kate and today I'm going to show you how to use a manual breast pump for expressing milk. This little device can be really helpful for mums when you want a comfortable and fast way to pump milk anytime you need. I gently place the breast shield on my breast and make sure it feels secure and comfortable. Then I slowly press the handle to create suction. You can start with soft and slow movements until you find a rhythm that feels natural for you. After a few pumps, the milk begins to flow into the bottle. The most important thing is to stay relaxed and comfortable during the process. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really hope this video helped you understand how to use a manual breast pump more easily. Feel free to leave a comment or check the link in my profile if you'd like to ask me any questions.